Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV, and we've got the brand new 2025 Freedom Express 259 FKDS. Front kitchen, double slide. This unit is under 30 feet with a king bed. Very cool. And it's got some nice little new added features for the 2025 model, and we're going to take a look at them right now. This is from last year. They have a new front jack on there, but you can hook up your chains and you don't have to worry about your cable getting all wet anymore. Battery disconnect. There's our two slides. Got the spread axle wheel design. Hot and cold shower. Black tank flush. Already have a ladder installed. It's prepped for an observation camera. Our camp kitchen. Hot and cold water, some storage, and a mini fridge. Table. We've got the griddle, but this is pre-seasoned. Very cool. We've got the new Lippert 4-step ladder, and it's got the very easily adjustable legs on there. Very nice. And probably the coolest thing I've seen on a new trailer in a long time. You can run your awning out right from the front compartment. That is awesome. I love that. Solid hinge door, so wherever you put it, there you go. Our front kitchen area. Lots of room here. Utensil drawer. I love that. Dual swing refrigerator freezer door. Open up the door this way, or are you going to open up the door that way? Awesome. Pantry. Lots of shelving, lots of room here. Smart TV. Fireplace. Recliners. We also have a nice little storage bin down here. Our shower. Porcelain toilet. This has the shower miser. What that is you can circulate the water until it gets hot before you turn on the shower. Once that turns a different color, you've got hot water. Saves lots of water. Very cool. And our king bed in the back. You can have a blue or white reading light. Lots of storage, room for another TV. Just one of the almost the perfect unit. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.